Okay, so welcome everyone to this Super Saturday training with nodes and of course with the Q&A at the end of the presentation. This is going to be very quick. Let them catch up for those who won't be able to uh, be with us at the start. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in part of the world. Okay, I know you are everywhere. Okay, and thank you so much for coming in. I'm really excited to share to you this exciting opportunity on how the node will be able to benefit with us. But for the to start with, okay,
Unlocking the future.
sorry. Okay. So to start with, I will just play a short video, okay, for you to understand what is a node, how node works, and what is the relationship of nodes in the blockchain. Because it is very important for you, for everyone to know. And of course, for those who are going to watch the replay of this video, that having a node is one of the integral part of having a blockchain. Okay? So having a blockchain, if you don't have a node, is like basically without security, without anything. So very simple but short video that I'm going to share to you so that quick understanding. If you're going to have questions, we will answer that at the end of the presentation. But for now, really this video will be amazing for you for everyone, especially for those who are new in the crypto space. Okay. So to start with, to every one of you that doesn't know me yet, okay, so my name is Dennis Miras. I've been in the crypto industry also as well, probably 4 or 5 years from now, or probably over. To be honest, I started 2019 somewhere in that area when I was afraid to do transactions and everything. And of course, didn't capitalize with Bitcoin because still afraid, because still learning. But of course, I said, well, when we understand Bitcoin, something that we probably had a regret of having that we don't participate with Bitcoin. Now that we have the second chance, now that we have the ability to grab the opportunity of having a uh, good opportunity that Bitcoin code will be able to offer us, and of course, for us becoming a node. Okay, so I in a profession, I am a IT engineer as a profession, so I understand technology. I understand how complicated technology is sometimes. So at least for you to understand that why I am still here, why I believe in Chavez is bringing to us the type of technology, the type of revolution that he is offering to us. So being a node owner would be one of the best and probably one of the good generational wealth we're going to have. Imagine to have just $100 to start with. Okay, so I'll just play the video and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so give me a second. Let me share my screen and let's start. Please let me know if you don't hear the sounds. Okay, so here we go.
Unlocking the future. BTC20 blockchain nodes explained. What is node? In the vibrant landscape of cryptocurrency, a node is a real-life machine storing the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) state. These nodes engage in seamless communication, propagating crucial information about the EVM state and any new changes. Moreover, users can trigger code execution by broadcasting a request from a node. The BTC20 Smart Chain Network, in essence, comprises these nodes and their collaborative communications. Grasping the significance of nodes in BTC20 blockchain. 1. Pillars of stability and expansion. Nodes in the BTC20 blockchain silently contribute to the network's stability and expansion. Functioning as the tangible entities storing the EVM state, they lay the foundation for a resilient blockchain infrastructure. 2. Streamlined and fortified operation. Demolishing misconceptions of complex requirements, BTC20 blockchain nodes demand a mere 4-core CPU, 8 GB RAM, and a 50 GB SSD. This simplicity ensures not only streamlined but also fortified operation, fostering inclusivity in the blockchain ecosystem without burdensome hardware investments. 3. Alluring 182% APY rewards. Participation in the BTC20 blockchain as a node subscriber unveils an alluring 182% APY. This isn't just a number, it's a gateway to maximizing returns and actively participating in the network's overall triumph. 4. Affiliate bonuses in WAS. Beyond the realm of APY rewards, node subscribers bask in affiliate bonuses distributed through WAS, Weekly Asset Allocation Scheme. This dual-layered benefit amplifies the value and profitability of investments, aligning with the ethos of decentralized success. 5. Integral contributors to blockchain health. Nodes, as vital contributors to the BTC20 blockchain, play a pivotal role in maintaining its health and functionality. The decision to become a node transcends mere participation, it's an active engagement in a decentralized and innovative network, shaping its trajectory. 6. Strategic long-term value creation. Becoming a node in the BTC20 blockchain isn't a fleeting move, it's a strategic play for long-term value creation. Participants don't just witness financial returns, they secure a distinctive position within the ever-evolving blockchain ecosystem. Types of nodes. Let's explore the different types of nodes in the BTC20 blockchain. 1. Full nodes. Meet the backbone of the blockchain network, full nodes. They maintain a complete copy of the blockchain ledger, independently verifying its entire history. Essential for blockchain integrity, these nodes communicate with others to keep the network up to date and accurate. 2. Light nodes. Next up, light nodes, also known as SPV nodes. Designed for devices with limited storage, like smartphones, they don't download the entire blockchain. Instead, they rely on all nodes for verification, making them faster but less secure. 3. Minor nodes. Last but not least, minor nodes. Responsible for confirming transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. They perform complex calculations, requiring specialized hardware. Mining nodes are crucial for ensuring the network's security and efficiency. Node functions. Nodes are more than just participants, they're the lifeblood of the blockchain. Let's explore their key functions. Data processing. Nodes process and manage various data, ensuring the blockchain's smooth operation. Communication. Nodes facilitate communication between devices, acting as the central hub for network activities. Storage management. Efficiently storing and managing data, nodes ensure the blockchain's historical accuracy. Control and decision. Nodes decide and control transactions, adding an extra layer of security to the blockchain. Security. Nodes play a crucial role in data and network security, safeguarding the integrity of the entire system. Monitoring. Acting as vigilant overseers, nodes monitor activity and status, ensuring a healthy blockchain ecosystem. User interface. Providing a user interface, nodes enable user interaction, making blockchain technology accessible to all. The multifaceted roles of nodes. Nodes within blockchain networks don't merely perform singular functions, they embody a multifaceted role as the backbone of distributed information and communication hubs. From data processing and communication facilitation to efficient storage management, transaction control, security oversight, activity monitoring, and user interface provision, nodes are the unsung heroes in the blockchain narrative. Empowering the future of BTC20 blockchain. In summation, nodes within the BTC20 blockchain aren't mere components, they are architects of a decentralized future. By comprehending their types, functions, and the myriad benefits they offer, participants embark on an active journey of contribution and reward within a flourishing blockchain ecosystem. As we embrace the transformative power of nodes, we chart a course toward a more secure, efficient, and community-driven BTC20 blockchain.
Okay. Now you know and you hear about a node. Okay, so node is just like a node that just connected to the blockchain and then that's it, and then you just earn money. No, node has a very, 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 very important part of a blockchain. Okay, as you remember, okay, as if you have been studying Bitcoin for quite a while now, I understand that you have been you do the research with regards to Bitcoin. Okay, probably Bitcoin, we will all know that every blockchain probably started with a node. Okay, Bitcoin now has over 80,000 nodes. You can do the research, of course, if you wanted to know how exactly the number is. I don't know the exact number, but it's really, really, strange to think why Bitcoin that is not, not an EVM compliant. You cannot put any project, a kind of blockchain that is very, very, very basic, but has an 80,000 nodes in it. So if you would think of that, that means, yeah, what it makes sense to have that number of nodes. And now, of course, in BTC20 blockchain, okay, we just started also in one node. Okay, so let me share you my screen so that at least I can give you elaborate you my whiteboard. Okay, at least I can give you an elaboration on how these nodes work. Okay, second, let me share my whiteboard. Okay, let me know if you are seeing my whiteboard now. Anyone? You can.
Yes, coach.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, Barbara. Okay, so let's start with the node. Okay, so we have a node. Okay, just like I mentioned to you, when BTC20 blockchain was launched in October last year. Wow, the birthday is coming, right? In a couple of months, we're going to, oh, no, not a couple of months. In just few more days, we're going to have our birthday party. Okay. Now, if we're going to, if you remember that we own our BTC20 blockchain as only one node. Okay. We only have one node at the beginning. And that function of the node is to connect the miners. Okay. So we're just going to connect the miners for us to be able to mine Bitcoin code. Okay? So that's the only function of our node right now. But of course, it's also functioned as like the security, and of course the processor, the data processing, the communications and everything, but it's just only one node. Imagine the load of that node is having. Okay? So last year, since node is an integral part of a blockchain, okay? So we are all Satoshi launches and offers us uh 300 nodes has been sold, okay? It's been sold like a candy, like I can tell you, it's like in just a matter of 2-3 months, in less than 3 months, this has been sold, and a lot of people are still asking about the nodes because they know the benefits. They know how important of becoming a nodes. Imagine that we are just beginning, okay? Bitcoin has 80,000 nodes, and Bitcoin has just right now, to be honest with you now, okay, to those who are listening on the replay, we are only just over 360 node and just the beginning. And this is something very special because it was said in the video, if you can say, this is the lifeblood of a blockchain. So, why this is the real reason why node is very, very, very important in a blockchain. So, I I was thinking when I thought that, say, okay, last year, okay, I said I think I have a small regret in myself that I have never been part of this 300 nodes, wherein I know and I have seen the potential. Of course, yeah, we have our all different situations in terms of financing or financial status. So by that time, of course, it's just a small regret because why does because I said it's not too late to start again. Okay, so that means when these 60 nodes, okay, when the 60 nodes was offered, then it comes to my mind, now is the time for me to take advantage of it. And then this is the real reason I know why you are all here, because I and Joe, okay, I know Joe is here just to mention with you, we have a special guest, our upline Joe is here, okay? So yeah, I mentioned to myself, this is the right time, this is the best time for me to partner those. So I initiated a syndicate. So this is the real reason why you are here. You wanted to know the real purpose of why syndicate is very important for us to be able to start. Because if we cannot buy the $27,000 worth of one node, okay, then that means it's time for us to become a team. It's time for us to help out everyone and then look at the benefits of being a node. Okay, so $27,000 is, of course, I'm not saying everyone here doesn't have $27,000, but of course, for those people that uh, starting with something. It's good to have that, you started with something, but if no one will initiate this kind of syndicate, then probably we will never have a chance to be able to be part of a node. So something that is really exciting, okay? Just to give you a recap, or what happens. This is the third node that we are offering now. Okay, we already closed two nodes with $1,000 slots per slots. Okay, and that I know also that $1,000 slots is a very big amount of money for most of us. Okay, so me and Joe decided to make it smaller so that everyone can participate. So that's where we agreed to say that, okay, let's help more people. Let them experience, let them benefit for becoming a node owner. Okay? Just by having just a part of $100. And then what would be the benefit of this? This is really important. What would be the benefit of $100 by becoming a node? Okay? So it seems like it's too small, but it's good to start somewhere, right? It's good to have that you are starting. So that's why this is not just by saying, okay, just $100 is fine, but no, this is something big, and this is only one time if you only have $100. And I explain to you later. I will show you on an Excel sheet to give you the the visual part on how it is going to be very beneficial. Okay. But of course, before we move on the Excel sheet, okay, at least for you to understand that we need 270 people to form this $27,000. Imagine how many people are we be able to help in this one, rather than the first two notes that we did, $1,000, so 27 people. Now we are going to help more people. That's the real goal. That's the real plan. And because the potential earning, you will be blown away for just $100. You will be blown away. I was blown away. Okay, I made my own calculation. I made my own my own say numbers don't lie computation, because we all know that numbers don't lie. Okay, but this is really really important. Okay, so now, since we started the first two nodes, okay, it's running now. Its configuration, it's not just like when you plug it and then the machine is already running. Okay, in technology you need to have more configurations, things like that. So that's how nodes also works, for you to understand as well. Okay, it's not just that like a computer or a laptop, but that when you plug in, okay, if it doesn't have an OS, or it doesn't have any apps, and then it doesn't work that way, the way we expected. So you have to configure everything. You have to configure all the things that needs to be configured for it to work properly. Okay, so it takes time, but it will eventually go there. Okay, so now that you understand why we initiated to have this syndicate, This is really important. But of course, if you have any more questions on why are you what really the nodes is going to be, or what any questions about the video that you wanted to know, because we will do our best to answer that question later. Okay. So basically this is really the way we're going to do it. So I don't have to elaborate more on what is the real reason of having a node here in the uh or becoming an owner of the node, or here in the having in the block. Sorry, I got stuttering. So here on the BTC20 blockchain. Okay, so yeah, okay, now I found it. I found the word. Sometimes it's hard to find the word, right? So yeah, so let me stop my sharing on the whiteboard and I'll show you the best part, which is the Excel sheet. Okay, so that for you to be able to understand everything with regards to how are we going to benefit on $100. Okay. So let me stop my share and where's the stop share? Okay, let me start sharing my Excel sheet. Okay, so can anyone tell me that everyone can see my Excel sheet?
Yeah, we
Yes.
say
Amazing. Okay, so oh, okay, I think I'm in the wrong place, I think, but okay. So this is the short computation or small computation that I did if you are a node owner. Okay? You are a node owner, you pay $27,000. Wait, sorry. You pay $27,000 and then, oh, okay. And then probably you'll be able to earn this much. Okay? This I'm not showing you this to hype or to convince or anything, okay? But by the way, before I start showing you these numbers, okay? This is not a financial advice. This is just my own, okay? My own computation, okay? This is just my own opinion on how the way I look and see the benefit of it. Okay? I am not here to give you hype, or I'm not here to convince anyone just by showing you this number. These are all just hypothetical example, okay, based on my opinion. So this is not a financial advice, and I hope you do your own due diligence as well, because of course as we go along with the computation, I stand to be corrected if you saw something that is not correct on the way I presented it. Okay, so that's my simple because I'm not a part of the company. We are all just member here. If you are not a member, I believe you understand that we are all members. So yes, this is just a hypothetical example based uh on my own opinion. Okay. So basically this is a sample of potential earning in just per first 4 years of becoming a node owner. So that means imagine that you are an owner, then in the next 4 years, potentially you'll be able to earn what? More than $500,000. But let's not go beyond that. I know you're here because just for $100, not for that this $27,000. Okay? So let's go with here. Okay, this is the real computation that I have. Okay. So cost of node is $27,000. The beauty of this, again, is what? We have a fixed 182% annual return. Okay? This is fixed. So I can say that as long as your node is running, uh, whether you like it or not, I believe you'll be able to get 182%. Isn't that good? Or isn't that very good? Okay? So that is really important. So $27,000, 182%, that means your potential return is $49,000, 140 out of this investment. But imagine, this is for the node owners like on the bottom of this one. Okay? So this is the thing. But of course, like I said, we want to be partake. We want to be part, and then we will be able to help everyone. Of course, we are helping ourselves. Okay, I am just part of a node as well, so that's very very fortunate for us to become part of the node. So right now we are not going to compute how much are we going to earn with just $100. Okay? But remember, okay, this $49,140 is just based on the $27,000. But remember, we are not going to earn dollars here. We are not going to earn dollars. Oh,
Yes.
then what's the real reason why I have to pay $100? Then I'm not going to earn dollars. Doesn't make sense at all, right? So yeah, so that's it. That's what I am trying to say is we are not going to earn dollars, but we are going to earn Bitcoin code. So I believe I would say that everyone here had an experience of mining. If you doesn't have experience yet, probably you have to start right now. This is the right time. This is the best moment to start mining Bitcoin code. Why? If you imagine again Bitcoin 15 years ago, who only mined Bitcoin? It's only Satoshi Nakamoto. And now we have the chance. We have Chavez gave us the second chance of becoming a owner of one of the best token. We have why? Because Bitcoin code copies the exact concept of Bitcoin. It has the scarcity of only 21 million supply. But the good news of that is you're going to mine that for the next 140 years. So that's really amazing. And this is what also makes a node amazing because when you are a node, you are not going to earn only it after 140 years. It will go beyond 140 years. Why? That's why I told you that this is going to be a generational wealth. Why? Because it doesn't mean that the 21 million supply has been mined, the blockchain will stop working and then the node will stop working. Of course, it will work continuously after the next 140 years. So after the next 140 years, the node keep growing and then of course you will keep on earning. That's why, because node is an integral part, the life and blood. So that means if you remove the nodes, then what is a blockchain right now? It's nothing. It's just simply a ledger. Okay? So that's why it's really, really amazing that for just $100, you will be able to find yourself making generational wealth. So let's start with the BTCC that I mentioned. Okay, so the BTCC, okay, you have to start mining. I urge you to buy $50 miner to start. So it's just very cheap. And then you will be able to earn Bitcoin, get Bitcoin code. Okay. So, okay. So in this computation, uh, maybe you're wondering where do I get this 655, okay? So on this computation, I will lock, okay? This is just an example, hypothetical example, but we can do this in a different price. But I will lock, very important, I will lock the price of the Bitcoin code to $75, okay? Let's say in the whole year of we are running the node, okay? Just the whole year alone, okay? Forget the next few years that coming, okay? Just on a 1 year alone, I'm going to lock it for $75. That means Bitcoin code goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down because of its volatility. Then eventually at the end of the year, we average $75 with it, okay? Just $75. So that means per Bitcoin code, we have $75. So that means out of $49,000, 140, we will be able to get, okay, remember, I told you earlier, we're not going to earn dollars here. We're going to earn Bitcoin code. So 655.20 Bitcoin code per year is we will be able to get. Of course, that if you divide it in a monthly, so 54.6 Bitcoin code in a month, and of course, 1.82 Bitcoin code in a day. So basically, this is it. Imagine you are earning 1.82, okay, 1.82 Bitcoin code. Multiply it by 75, okay? So that means that is your daily earning. That's your daily earning, okay? So on this in this calculation, imagine that you have 1.82 per day. But the thing is, how I'm going to get the 1.82, okay? No, so if you are going to invest $100, you're not going to get 1.82, okay? So let me show you why. Okay. So let's say, imagine we need to pay $27,000. Our syndicate node number 3 is going to worth $100 per slot. So that means we're going to need 270 people or 270 slots. It doesn't mean that I need 270 people. Okay. Of course, if you want to buy 10 slots, 14 slots, 100 slots, that's okay. But of course, it's just going to be just per $100. Okay. See, this is what we get if we're going to be paying just $100 per slot. Okay. So that means basically in 1 year, your $100 will earn 82 pesos, $82 in a year. Very small, but it's good to start with, right? Because the bank will not pay you $82 if you deposit $100 there for 1 year, even if you don't touch it. The only thing you can get in the bank, it will decrease the value because of the inflation. So it definitely not worth $100 at the end of that year. But here with Bitcoin Code, in just 1 year, you earn $82 doing nothing. Why? Okay, why? This is very important for you to know. Because remember, we are a node. Okay, node has a requirements to be part of. You need a computer. Okay, you need electricity. You need internet. Okay, everything should be ready for you to become a node. That's very important. Now, how are you going to run a node with $100? That's why we are here. Me and Joe are here because I and Joe, okay, for the third node, because sorry for that. For the first two node, I am the one who's going to offer the computer. But this node now, Joe is going to offer a computer to use. So imagine how generous our upline is to offer his computer to be able to use to become a node. And then, of course, it will run. You will just do nothing. Okay. The only thing you need to do is just wait for your profit. Okay. So, of course, this have also a trust issues. Okay. If you won't trust us, then you will not become part of a node. But of course, I believe just for $100, the trust that we will make sure, and I believe Joe has shown you everything that he is a trusted person. Okay, I've been working with him for probably over a year now, but we have been in a good the trust we have is like more than the brothers. Okay, so something that you have to put in. Okay, but I will explain you later how the trust will work out after this. Okay, so right now, so doing nothing because we are the one who's running the show, we are the one who's running the node, and then you're just going to what, earn $182 in 1 year, just in 1 year. Okay, in 1 year, that means in 1 year you already got back your capital, $100. And then, of course, you have $82 on your pocket just for 1 year. So that means in a year, you will just get 2.43 Bitcoin code just for $100. Imagine the cost of Bitcoin right now is around $64. So this means this is over this is over
Gonna go sit in the
100 and
bathtub. I didn't think he would like it, so
Jay, can you
he
unmute?
decided not to.
Jay, can you mute yourself, please?
Been relaxing,
Jay. Okay, let me mute her. Oh, I cannot mute her.
I just had a coffee.
Jay, can you mute yourself, please?
Who, me?
Yes, please.
Oh, wait a second.
You.
Bill's quiet person. My husband just got up on his party.
Okay.
I didn't realize it.
Okay.
Where is it? I don't see my.
I cannot mute you. So can you mute yourself, please?
Why can't we? I don't see
I
my.
don't I don't know why I cannot mute you, but yeah. Okay. So okay. Uh okay, so
Exit, exit me,
okay, give me a second.
kick me out.
Okay, give me a second.
I don't even see the.
Okay, so apologies for that. Yeah, so let's continue. Where did I stop now? I forgot. Okay, imagine that you have 2.43 Bitcoin code in a year, and then you earn that. Okay, so that means it's not a good to start with. Okay, it's not bad to have to or like over $150 if you convert it as of the price right now of Bitcoin code. But remember, we temporarily lock it to $75. We all know that eventually what? Okay, birthday of Bitcoin code is coming. Okay, Chavez mentioned every day. Okay, that we have to harvest. Okay, we have to do something so that our Bitcoin is going to go up in price. I believe, okay? Now, in the matter of probably after the birthday celebration, okay, let's say, okay, and the next year that we are operating our node, okay, on the next year that we are operating our node, the next year, the price of Bitcoin code goes to just $100, okay? Just $100. Now, on the next year, you will be able to earn $242 in 1 year. Okay? Imagine that increase. But remember, you already get back your capital from the first year and you pocketed $82. This means every single cent of this profit on the next year is going to be a profit alone. And you don't have to worry at all. You are risk-free. Why? Because you are not operating the node. Me and Joe are the one responsible for operating the node, the computer, the internet, the electricity that we have to pay. Okay? But of course, eventually, it's still not bad as a start. Now, course, as years goes by and then lots of projects are coming in. Remember, Chavez mentioned again, there are a lot of projects coming in BTC20 blockchains. We are going to Boomerang has been booming up. Now everything is booming up. The Capital 3.0 will go skyrocketed. And then everyone will harvest. Then everyone is going to hold the Bitcoin. And then after the next year, what if this goes up to $8,000? This is potential. I'm not saying it will happen, but this is potential. Why? Bitcoin, remember Bitcoin? In the next 3 years, it just goes up $80, $100, $200 gradually. But we all know that it's all a possibility. Just hypothetical example of $1,000. Imagine from $242 on the second year, on your third year, you got $2,000, $2,500 extra income doing nothing. With just one time, $100 because you become part of the syndicate that we just initiated or become part of the 270 members that become part of a node. $2,500 extra income. Isn't it good or is it very good? What would be your lifestyle after 3 years? 3 years is so quick. You know what? We just started in January. It feels like I'm still just demonstrating Boomerang, and now we are here in the the 8th month or 9th month of the year, and it's almost over. We are entering to the fourth quarter of the year, and then it's 2025. Now, this is the best part of it. This is the fourth year. Remember the fourth year, we have a halving. Remember Bitcoin? I told you that the concept of Bitcoin code is the same with Bitcoin. Now we have our halving years. Okay? The halving years is one of the most important thing in Bitcoin history. So now Bitcoin Code will also have that history, will also have that amazing experience. Now, when the halving is coming, remember, that's why I am asking you to mine right now, because right now, every 24 hours, we are getting, or the BTC20 blockchain is distributing 7,200 Bitcoin code every 24 hours. Now the halving years is coming. Then we will get less and less Bitcoin code. Why? Because after the halving, we will own the system will only distribute what? 3,600 Bitcoin code. Now it's going to be hard to mine. But of course, this price is really exciting. What if? Okay? Just what if? It's just shoot up to just $2,000. I'm just very conservative here. Okay? $2,000 on the first halving years. Okay? Imagine, extra, less than $5,000 per year. Okay? You can see it for a month, what you're earning, you're increasing for a month, or you can see your increase for a day. Just doing nothing, just waiting for you to receive your profit goes directly to the wallet because we will send it to you. Remember, how we earn on Node is simply like you connect the node, you connect the wallet, all the Bitcoin code that we earn goes directly to the wallet. Imagine, once it's in our wallet, it's our asset. No one can touch it, no one can collect it, or no one can take it from us unless we got scammed by giving the 12 seed phrase or the private key or all the security that has been compromised. And we all know that we have that security training always. Joe is conducting every Saturday, US prime time, UK prime time. So I believe we are all aware with regards to that. So you are not you're not going to say $100 is so much. Yeah, I know it's so much, but imagine the return. If you are going, because if you're going to be in a business, you are going to think long term. I believe if you put a traditional business, you are looking for at least 5 years, and then you will see. But here, you can just look at, well, how many? Let's say 3 years from now, because 3 years from now, 3 years and 2 months probably is our next halving years because we are going to in our anniversary. And then that's it. And then imagine your $100 grows to something like this. Okay. Now, okay, I understand that. Okay, you will say, yeah, the cryptos are very volatile or whatever happened. Bitcoin shoot down like our sky, a rocket falling down from the sky. Remember, from 69,000 to what, $15,000? Imagine that. Okay, that's also safe. Imagine. Okay, on the fifth year, let's say on the fifth year, Bitcoin code become $20. Okay, $20. You earn just $48 in that year. But imagine, this $48 is also a profit only. And then, one more thing. Okay, one more thing. Let's say, if Bitcoin code shoot to $20, you just going to earn this. Then, you have an option. Don't swap your Bitcoin code and wait for it to go up again. And then, of course, you are not going to earn $48 because you will only solidify that $48 if you exchange it to USDT. Then hold it, okay? Just like what those Bitcoin holders had done from 2020 or 2021, I believe, when it shoot up, and then up this year that it shoot up to $73,000. So very simple, very basic. Okay, that's how the crypto works, and then so simple. So if this goes down to this, you are the only one who's going to decide to solidify if it's going to be that this is your income or not. You are the one who's going to make sure that you earn what you want. Because remember, we are not earning dollars. We are earning token. We are earning Bitcoin code. So every time that it goes down, it goes up, it's all up to us on how are we going to decide and when are we going to decide to sell them and make them as our you know uh putting food from our table, or shopping, or going traveling abroad. So everything is all up to us. It's not like uh once you got this Bitcoin code, and then the money is there for you. This $2,500 is there for you. No, you decide. Because eventually, what if it goes down to goes up to $10,000? Okay? That is a possibility. That is always a possibility, because if you will be able to look at the vision of our CEO on this blockchain, this is his baby. This is our flagship product. This is everything that we are all Satoshi has started. Why we are all Satoshi is standing still and is standing tall because of Bitcoin code. So imagine, I'm not trying to beat Bitcoin here. I'm not trying to compete with Bitcoin here. I'm just trying. Let's say that's the maximum, that's the all-time high that Bitcoin code can do, $10,000. Oh, we all know that Bitcoin will reach $100,000, $150,000. Let's say for that, just $10,000 alone, hypothetically. Well, I believe it will be more than that, because of the scarcity that we have, because of the only supply that we have is just 21 million. So imagine those things, if you will just starting with just $100. So now it's the time for you to at least every uh, family members, or any of your friends, or even all of your team members, just let them know that just for one time $100, you will do nothing. You will just sleep. This is the real make money while you're asleep. Okay? Just like Warren Buffett said. Okay? If you don't uh look for anything that make your money works while you sleep, then you will die working. Okay? So I hope that I said it correct, but I believe that's the meaning is still there. Okay? So yeah. So this is literally you're just going to sleep. If you're going to look at the per month, just 0.2 BTCC, I believe this is better, 0.2 BTCC. For me, this is my own opinion only. I think I'm receiving 0.2 BTCC in a month is better than mining. I'm not saying mining is bad, okay? But this is better for me. Why? Just my own opinion, okay? This is just my opinion. Because even if I mine 30 BTCC in a month, but I have to pay the harvesting. I have to pay the B fuel cost of the mining. Here, this is like a free Bitcoin code every month, or every year, or every day. Doesn't matter how you want to see it, but this is free, just like a free one. Going there directly to your wallet, because why okay, with regards to the trust. Okay, here we go with the trust. Okay, I am the one, or Joe will be the one who's going to distribute the profit. Let's say we do it monthly. Okay, so now, me and Joe are the only holder of the key of the wallet. So that means we are the only one who has the wallet. So if you don't trust Joe, you don't trust me, okay? Then think before you put your $100. Okay? We are not forcing you to do anything like, okay, just because Dennis tell us this number, blah, 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 blah. That's why I'm convinced. No, I'm not trying to convince you. Do your own due diligence. Do everything that you need to do for us to decide it for yourself. Decide it for yourself. It's not that you are. I'm just showing you this because I see the vision. I see it on my own, and I'm really excited to share it to everyone, to those who will see what I saw. So that's the real reason. Okay, so this is something. So having 0.2 minor BTCC a month is something really amazing. Okay, but of course, I will not discount the miners, because miners has a big advantage as well. Because if we are mining, we are not paying the cost first. It's just like a loan. You get the money first, and then you will be only to pay the price, the loan, once you have it, right? Or something like that. I don't think loan is the good example, but yeah, I know it makes sense to you what I'm trying to say here. Okay. So yeah, so basically this is it. This is really the part of it that I wanted to share to you. And of course, another reason why you should be able to trust us. Why? So remember, me and Joe just have the wallet, okay? And okay, imagine the blockchain. Blockchain is transparent. Everyone has the copy. So that means the wallet address that we have, if we do some movement like we are going to take out small amount of BTCC to go to our wallets or anywhere, you will be able to check that on the blockchain. Then eventually you will see that, oh, you can criticize that. Joe, where did you get this 100 BTCC goes? This is not belong to a member of the wallet. This is not belong to a member's wallet address, right? So that's transparency is really really important. And also like I mentioned to all my Zoom here when I present this, we or me and Joe will make sure that you're entrusting us your $100 will be worth it, because I'm pretty sure it will be worth it with this amount of documentation. And eventually, probably when you reach to this much amount of yearly, probably you will be able to get your own node. If the price of node is still the same with this, well, definitely it will go up. Right now, so this time, this is the right time, because we have been so lucky that the price of Bitcoin, the price of the node is still the same at this moment. So we have to be quick. We have to do it fast, because we don't know that maybe next week or maybe the next 2 weeks, the price of Bitcoin, the price of the node will go up, and then of course we will going to need more members. That means we're going to have to get smaller amount of portion of what the $100 can give us. So let's act fast, let's do it fast. Okay, so yeah, I think that this is it. This is where I stop my presentation. I hope you understand and you see the clear picture of what I have seen here on the vision of the lifetime. Okay, this is a lifetime generational wealth that we can pass on to our great 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 how many great grandchildren, because we all know that financial of the world is not going anywhere. Digital currency is now the next big thing. It's like, let's say, remember when they started with the AI, they said, no, AI is not going to work. Now, AI is one of the most feared technology right now, because they said their works, their jobs will be taken over by AI. Imagine, so right now, they said fiat currency is not going away. Yeah, I believe so in the next 30, 40 years. But after that, I believe everything will be digital, because digital currency right now is the way moving forward. Right? If that makes sense. So yeah. So okay. So thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, okay, to those who are listening to the replay of this video, if you have any questions, go back to the person that shared to you this video, and then of course ask the questions, and then find a way to communicate with us, with Joe, or to your upline, or to the person that shared you this video. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. Okay, if you have any questions, I will stop my sharing and let's do the question and answer. But of course, before I do the question and answer, I will hand over this. We have to Joe. Okay, if he need to say something. Okay, Joe, welcome to the Zoom, and thank you so much for jumping.
Hey everyone, great presentation there, Dennis. Very, very good. You're quite the professional at it now, aren't you? You've been doing it for so long.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, Dennis has laid out everything there as to how you're going to benefit from being a node holder. It's definitely something for the future. Without doubt, the most successful Bitcoin millionaires are the people that are the nodes, because they are mining Bitcoin at cost price, whereas people who are buying it online on the exchanges are buying it at the price of the market. So they're in a better position to be able to benefit from that. So we look to be in the same place. As Dennis said, we can't predict the future. We have no idea what's going to happen. But it seems very unlikely that Chavez is going to let Bitcoin Code fail in any way when he has spent so many millions of dollars developing the blockchain, developing Bitcoin Code, developing the miners. Remember, we were never supposed to get Bitcoin Code. This was not part of the ecosystem. Chavez brought it simply to save the community after we got let down by Sam. Chavez said, give me 3 days. We gave him 3 days. He came back and we started selling miners. And we had an extremely successful business just from selling miners. I was halfway to Shiba. Lucky reached finance just on selling miners. Yes, Boomerang gave us that extra step in the new year in 2024. But for the last 3 months of 2023, everybody was making money selling miners. Everybody was earning money in the affiliate reward system. So this part of the ecosystem is really the heart and soul of the We're All Satoshi ecosystem. So everything that Dennis has said there is absolutely bang on. So just a couple of updates. The existing nodes are still configuring. I've got a Zoom with Lucky at 3 o'clock this afternoon. I'm going to consult with her because it may be that there's a delay with the configuration because the BTC20 network has been under maintenance. And that leads me to update number 2. The BTC20 network has been under maintenance for the last few days. They found a glitch, so it's been under maintenance, and I believe there's still some work needing to be done. So if you're going to look at your miners and you're finding your miners aren't mining, then don't worry, it's all being looked at. And if you're having trouble sending BTCC from MetaMask to somebody, let me know. I'll tell you what to do. I just did one with somebody. Dennis, that $7,000 should be in your wallet by now.
Not yet.
It should be.
Yeah, I just checked now.
No, it's not there?
Yeah.
What was the wallet address?
A second. First 4 is DF0D and last 4 is A51B.
Hold on. What was it?
DF0D, and then the last 4 is A51B.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I don't know why it's. Oh, it may be because of the blockchain's now under maintenance still.
Yeah.
It's sent on his end.
But it's not yet here.
Okay. Very odd.
I just checked when I saw your message.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know. It's sent on his end. According to him, it's sent. I'll get him to send the receipt. Let me just message him.
Okay. Okay, anyone has a question while Joe is sending message? You can raise your hand or you can unmute, please.
Oh, that's it. Okay, I'll just get him to send me the receipt and I'll forward it to you.
Okay, sure. It's just that nothing in my wallet yet.
Okay, now's the time to be asking questions, folks.
Yeah, any more questions on what I have explained? Okay. Is there any clarification or anything that you believe that I have said wrong, probably that needs to be corrected? I'm really looking forward to hear because I believe I'm not a perfect person, but I believe I delivered everything that I can.
Pretty bloody close.
Yeah.
Clear as like crystal, coach.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so okay. Nice, Erica. Nice to see you here. I didn't see you come in. Sorry.
Hey, Erica, how you doing?
Yeah.
So if anybody's got anybody, sorry, Erica, so if anybody's got anyone, speak to your community, speak to your friends. If you've got anybody who's interested in becoming a node, let us know straight away. Add them into the group because we want to buy the node soon as possible before it goes up in price. We can secure it at 27K. So please put the word out, speak to your friends, speak to your community, and bring them into the WhatsApp group, and we can start collecting the funds and get the node purchased ASAP. Sorry, continue, Erica.
No, I just said thank you.
Oh.
Okay. Any more question from? Okay. So, okay, if there are no more
Are you
questions.
going to,
Okay, go ahead, Paula.
are you going to post the recording immediately after the call?
I will do my best. I will do my best to. Yeah.
Because I need to give it up.
Yeah. Probably give me at least 30 minutes and then I will post it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Any more question? Anyone? Okay. Yeah, if we don't have any more questions, then probably I will not take too much of your time. It's weekend, so I think you can go back to your family and friends. And if you're enjoying the weekend, even though the weather here in UK, in London, is kind of cloud, a little dark, but it's still good. The temperature is still good. Yeah, Catherine, you agree?
Yes, I agree. I
Yeah.
agree.
Okay, yeah. So I will not take too much of your time. Again, for those who are watching this video, okay, this is the right time. This is the best moment. Reach out to the person that shared you this video, and then do it fast, quick it fast. We have to act fast to capitalize the $27,000 value right now. If it goes up, then there's nothing we can do more about it. But of course, we're still going to pursue buying the node. Okay. So see you on the next Zoom. See you on my next training. I hope everyone have a good weekend. And
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, God bless
Thank,
everyone. Bye.
thank
Bye.
you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, coach.
Bye.
Thank you, thank you.
Walang-walang,